Hi everyone, so I've got my little protection mixture from my last spell working, and I'm going to add some bits to it because what I want to do is I want to refill my little protection amulet, and then this can be just slipped onto a little chain and worn around the neck, or you could put this on your key ring. As long as you carry it around with you, that's the point of this. So I'm just going to empty it out and just take out the previous working that was in there. I've just got to work on it a bit because it's proper rammed in. Okay. So I have my little container, and I'm going to take my incense and I'm just going to cleanse the little container. I cleanse this jar with the element of air. I cleanse this jar with the element of air. I cleanse this jar with the element of air so I may use it in my practice. Blessed be, so mote it be, and thank you. Right, so what I'm going to do is, to this mixture, which is chamomile for calming, lavender for protection, black salt for protection, I'm going to add a couple of cloves, which are also associated with protection and like prosperity, and to like ward off negativity. I'm going to put 3 of those in, and I'm going to add some rose petals. I like to always put rose petals in, and obviously I associate it with love and like, you know, like a caring energy. So I want to be protected with like a lovely, lovable, caring energy. And also it's associated with like healing, so I like to use these for that property as well, like protect health, and also it's associated with love, and obviously love is the opposite of negativity, and I'm using it for that purpose as well. So protect me from negativity, protect me from negative thoughts, negative feelings and negative energies. Protect me from negativity, negative thoughts, negative feelings and negative energies. Protect me from negativity, negative thoughts, negative feelings, negative energies. Blessed be, so mote it be, and thank you. I'm just going to mix those together. Oops. Try to flick my ingredients everywhere. I'm going to just get these rose petals to go a bit smaller. Obviously my mortar and pestle is not the best one, but it's okay. I'm just going to try and break that up a bit. I've still got a solid clove, so I'm going to see if I can snip that a bit. Let's get out the heavy duties. There we go, that's better. Needed my back scissors. Right, okay. Any more big cloves or anything? One more big bit there. Purpose of this is mainly sort of fit it in a little jar. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little selection of these ingredients in my little jar. I'm going to do it in like layers, so I'm going to put in the rose petals, like so. then some of the other herbs, so the chamomile and the lavender mixture. Then I'm going to put in some more rose petals. I've got a nice big clove there I'm going to stick in. Push that down. Let's put a bit more rose petal in. Push that down. I'm going to keep going till it's very full. And then I'm going to seal the lid like so. I'm going to dust the jar off. And then that is my little protective amulet prepared and ready to go. So anytime I feel like I need an extra bit of protection or anything, I'll wear this and carry it with me. You can put it on a piece of cord or a little silver coloured chain. I did have a chain that come with this, but it turns my neck green, so I took it off. I'm going to put some cord through here and then I can wear it as a little protection charm. Or you could stick, like I said, you could stick it on a key ring. Just be aware with these that the top unscrews, because usually what you do is unscrew the top to fill them, but I found that section unscrews and it's easier to fill the herbs. Just make sure that it's nice and tight so you don't lose this as you're travelling around. And this one's a great way of always carrying like a protection ward with you. I personally usually use this if I feel I need something extra, but usually I've got my jewellery that I normally wear has already been protected and used to protect me, so I don't always use this, but that's how to prepare a little wearable protection amulet. If you're wondering where I got this little container from, I got it off Amazon. If you just search for necklaces for remembrance, like ashes, like, you know, to put ashes in, wearable urn, something like that, you'll find these little wearable jars, because that's originally what they were for. And there's no harm putting a little bit of glitter in here as well to make it look pretty. I always find a little bit of sparkle goes a long way. The last one I did, I had glitter in it and it looks quite pretty, so aesthetically it looks nice as well. And yeah, and you could also put little crystal chips in, by the way, as well, if you've got some small enough. And that's how to create a protection amulet. So hope you enjoyed this video, and blessed be, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.